Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rename your Netflix profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Profiles allow each person on Netflix account to have their own spirit space complete with recommendations, a viewing history, my list, and more. So in this video, I will show you how to edit or rename your profile on Netflix. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Netflix. As you can see in here, I have three profiles, and I will edit name for this one. You can just tap on the upper right corner here. There's a pencil icon on it. Choose on the profile that you want to edit. Here, so you can edit the name in here. For example, we'll name it like this. You can also change for the profile picture. Maybe, for example, I will choose this one. Now we can go back, and now you have a new profile name on your Netflix. So simple, right? So that is how to rename your profile on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.